When you understand the value of a smart object, you can't help but want to use them. Now, there are some super tricks between the Adobe apps. One I'm going to unpack for you now is this bonus item. Bridge and Photoshop, they're married. They've always been married. They've always gone together. You may not even know what Bridge is. Bridge is many things, but Bridge is the access to Adobe Camera Raw's non-destructive image editor. And there's a quick way to make a smart object and bring it to Photoshop in that way. Let me show you. I'm in Bridge. You can see that I'm in Adobe Bridge, and I'm going to do Command R or open a file in the Camera Raw editor. Now I'm in Bridge, and Camera Raw is a plugin. Listen, I'm going to explain all of this in a completely full video. Adobe Camera Raw, editing with Bridge and Adobe Camera Raw. It's going to be on the website. We're going to promote it. You're going to really enjoy it. It's going to be the biggest time saver you can think of. I think it kicks Lightroom's butt. That should have raised a few eyebrows. Anyway, for now, a bonus. Here I am in Adobe Camera Raw. I'm going to edit this photo, blah, 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 and I can say open. Now, open at the bottom right-hand corner in Bridge, Adobe Camera Raw, open ought to say open this in Photoshop. That's what open is. But look what happens if I hold the Shift key. It says open object. Boy, what could that mean? Open smart object. Open as a smart object in Photoshop. When I open this photograph, which I shot as a RAW file, and I'm ready to edit it in Photoshop for some strange reason, and there are 5 great strange reasons to do that, I'm taking my baby, whom I want to protect, into the jungle of Photoshop. But I'm taking it in, look at that, automatically as a smart object. It gets better. If I want to edit the file in Photoshop, there are certain things I can do. But if I want to guarantee that I get back to all of my rich, robust, wonderful Camera Raw tools in full non-destructive glory, I just double click on the little bubble wrap doohickey. And when you do, instantaneously you're back in Camera Raw in Bridge. And if I click a change, I'm going to make a change. Let me make it a two-toned square, let's just say. When I do that and I say OK, I've turned, in this case, from a colored image into a high contrast up in the foreground, low contrast in the background, black and white image. And it automatically updated my Photoshop file because I went out and edited the smart object. Man, this is big news. If you don't understand how big it is now, wait till you see the new series. It's huge.